Are you ready to make this summer the best one yet? Today we are sharing 50 fun and engaging activities that will keep your kids entertained and learning all summer long. Nature scavenger hunt. Build a house for pet. Plant a garden. Go on a hike. Visit a zoo. Have a picnic. Go camping. Create a scrapbook. Make homemade popsicles. Visit a museum. Learn a new skill. Fly a kite. Have a water fight. Paint rocks. Build a sandcastle. Host a talent show. Do a science experiment. Go fishing. Visit a farm. Learn to bake. Write a story or a journal. Make friendship bracelets. Go stargazing. Organize a garage sale. Learn to ride a bike. Do a puzzle. Visit a national park. Go bird watching. Make a time capsule. Have a movie marathon. Make homemade pizzas. Do yoga. Go swimming. Create a puppet show. Visit a library. Learn origami. Do a craft project. Play board games. Have a costume party. Go roller skating. Visit your friends. Make a family tree. Learn to play an instrument. Go to a local festival. Do a photo scavenger hunt. Learn about a new culture. Visit historical places. Have a lemonade stand. Create a summer reading list. Thanks for joining us today. We hope you found plenty of ideas to keep your kids busy and happy this summer. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more fun and educational content. Share your favorite summer activities in the comments below. Until next time, keep exploring, keep learning.